So affiliate marketing is a type of performance-based marketing in which a business rewards an affiliate for each successful sale made by the affiliate. The most common way to do this is through a commission, but businesses may also offer other types of compensation, such as gifts or discounts. There are many different ways to do affiliate marketing, but one of the most popular is through YouTube Shorts. Now, if you didn't know what YouTube Shorts are, they're a new feature on the platform that allows users to create short vertical videos. And these videos can be up to 60 seconds long, and they appear in a separate feed from regular YouTube videos. As an affiliate marketer, you can use YouTube Shorts to promote products and services. So when someone clicks on your affiliate link and makes a purchase, you will actually earn a commission for that purchase. If you're interested in making money with YouTube Shorts right now through affiliate marketing, here's how to get started. Number 1 is choose a niche. So the first step in making money with YouTube Shorts is obviously to choose a niche. This is the type of product or service that you will be promoting. It's important to choose a niche that you're interested in, as this will make creating content easier and more enjoyable and not feel like a chore. There are many different niches to choose from, so take some time to brainstorm and research before settling on one. I mean, maybe you want to speak to a specific audience, such as new parents or pet owners. Or maybe you want to focus on a particular type of product, such as health and fitness products or tech gadgets. I mean, whatever the case may be, whatever niche you choose, just make sure there is a demand for it. Number 2 is find products to promote. So once you've chosen a niche, it's time to find products to promote. And as an affiliate marketer, you can promote both digital and physical products. For example, you can promote an online course, a piece of software, or a physical product like a book or piece of exercise equipment. Now, it's important to find products that are relevant to your niche and that you believe in. If you're just promoting a product for the sake of making money, people will be able to tell we're not stupid, and they're less likely to buy from you. So take some time to research products and choose ones that you think will be popular with your target audience. And number 3, sign up for affiliate programs. Well, the next step is to sign up for that affiliate program that you want to promote. This is how you will get paid for promoting products. When you sign up for an affiliate program, you're going to be given a unique link that you can share with people on your YouTube videos. So when someone clicks on that unique link and makes a purchase, well, you're going to earn a commission with that specific program. So if you're promoting multiple products from different companies, for example, you're going to need to sign up for all of those separate companies' affiliate programs. And some of the best affiliate programs for YouTube Shorts include, but are not limited to, Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareASale, just to name a few. And then finally, number 4, create YouTube short videos. Now it's time to create the content. So as I mentioned previously, YouTube short videos can be up to 60 seconds long, and they should be vertical, a 9:16 aspect ratio. So you can film yourself speaking directly to the camera, or you can create slideshows or screen recordings. When creating your videos, make sure to include your affiliate links. You can do this by adding them in a comment or the description. Putting them in a comment and highlighting it below your video is a great way to promote it. And then finally, number 5, promote your videos, although YouTube Shorts does do a good job of this. But once you've created your YouTube Shorts, it's time to promote them. So you can do this by sharing them on other social media platforms or even running ads. Get creative with how you get the word out there. The more people who see your videos, the more likely it is that someone will click on your affiliate link and make a purchase. So don't be afraid to put yourself out there and promote your content. And then number 6 is analyze your results. It's very important to analyze your results because this helps you identify what's working and what's not. So after a couple of days, take a look at your stats and see how many people have watched your videos and clicked on your affiliate links. If you're not happy with your results, try to figure out what you could do differently. Maybe, and most likely, you need to create better YouTube short content or promote your videos more effectively. But whatever the case may be, just don't give up, okay? Just keep trying and tweaking until you find a formula that works for you. And then number 7, rinse and repeat. So after you've analyzed your results, made some tweaks and changes, well, it's time to start the process all over again. You need to keep creating new content, promoting your videos, and keep analyzing your results. And over time, you will start to see steady growth in your affiliate sales. With enough hard work, you could even turn this into a full-time income. So my final thoughts. These are the steps you need to take to become an affiliate marketer on YouTube. Just remember, it takes time and effort to succeed in this venture. So do not get discouraged if you don't see quick growth, if you don't see the results right away. Just keep producing quality content, promote your videos, and always be willing to learn and grow. If you do that, you'll be well on your way to affiliate marketing success. Thank you for watching.